So something to look out for when you insert a battery is that you have to make sure the batteries, the head, have to touch the negative and the positive side of the cover. So for example here, if you insert it this way, you have to make sure that your cover positive stays on top and the negative side touches the bottom. So positive on top, flat end goes at the bottom. Now you can put your covers back on, see how it goes, the negative on the bottom and positive on the top. All you have to do is just close it. And there you go. Your cover is back.
Please press your finger on the sensor. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again.